Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react to a message with emoji in Instagram. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. I have my Instagram opened and I'm already on my messages right now. And if I wanted to just click on, let's say, this conversation, and I wanted to react with an emoji, all I have to do is hold down on their comment. Let's say hold down on whatever comment you want to, and then a couple of different emojis pop up. These are custom emojis that are set. You can choose one of those and just put like click on it, and then it will automatically put that emoji if you want to change it. However, you can click on it again, hold down on it, and this little plus icon you can click on, and these are the way that you could just choose any emojis you want to. You can search like baby, whatever you want. It will give you the options for that if you want to customize it. So these 6 are different. Then you can just click on the plus again, and up top it says customize, and we can choose to swap out different emojis that way, and just click on the emoji you want to switch and click on the new one you want, and then just hit done, and there you go, it's switched for you. So that's how you do it. It's really simple. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.